Alrighty, I'm Ty with Advanblack, and today we are excited to share with you the release of the Pro Monkey seat for the 2018 Lowrider, Lowrider S, and Lowrider ST. This is the opportunity to be able to share with you a lot of the details about it and then compare it to the stock seat. So the stock seat that you received when you purchased the bike, it's comfortable, it's got a decent seating position. As you can see, it's got you moved further forward, and it's got a bit of a backrest and a little bit of a rise, but depending on how you ride, you're feeling like you're maybe sitting on top of the bike a little bit more than you want to. So when you go to a Pro Monkey seat, this is the opportunity to sit down more in the bike and be part of the bike. This is one of your contact points, obviously, your seat where you sit, your feet where your feet lay, and then your hands where they rest on the bar. So between those three spots, those are where you're going to make your adjustments to get really comfortable with your bike. So the Pro Monkey seat is something that we've done in a collaboration with Professional Monkey. So yes, you heard it right. His name is Professional Monkey. I teased him and told him a little bit about what a jack monkey is, but that's not him. TJ is a great guy. We're super glad that we've collaborated with him on these seats. Obviously, we released the Pro Monkey seat for the touring, and so we thought, man, what would it look like to have it for the Softail as well? So whether you're a rider that is cruising long ride, you've got a nice steep backrest, you've got high density foam, you've got the double stitch diamond in the seat on your driver's seat, and then you've got the pleated in the rear seat. It also allows you to have a nice platform if you're a stunner, and when you pull that front wheel up, it gives you a nice place to plant. And other than that, this is a great seat, I think, for everybody. You're going to find that it'll work in lots of different circumstances, and it'll be something that you'll want to enjoy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull off the stock seat, and we're going to put on our Pro Monkey seat. It's literally only one screw that it takes to be able to do so. In doing so, in the stock formation, you're going to have your nut which comes up from your fender. You're going to remove that, and you're going to have to move it back because this is a two-up seat. So you'll pull this seat off and set it or throw it. I'm going to throw it. And bring in the Pro Monkey. So if you look, there is a little arm that goes into the receptor on the front of the frame. You're going to put that in, move it forward, and then set it right down onto the fender nut that you just moved from the stock position back to the two-up position. And it's 13 1/4 turns on your Phillips #2 screwdriver. I'm just kidding, I made that up. Pro Monkey seat, your opportunity on a 2018 Lowrider, Lowrider S, and Lowrider ST and up to be able to change the feel, the look of your bike. You're going to want to be able to go ahead and step across, sit in. I wanted you just to see the positioning. I'm going to suck my gut in a little bit. But you've got nice support in your lower back, your feet with the mid controls, handlebars adjusted. You're ready for that long ride, you're ready for that stunt, or you're ready for whatever type of riding it is. We want to encourage you to go ahead and check out our Pro Monkey seat, available again for the Lowrider. Check it out.